Hey, it's Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. So what you want to do is you want to open up your TikTok app. So let's go to this profile and let's say you want to block him. So what you want to do is go to the top right, click on the arrow, and you see the block button. And now it asks you, do you actually want to block this person? They will not able to send you messages, see your posts, or find your profile. If you want to confirm, click block. And that's basically it. That's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. And also if you're having some issues, let me know them in the comments down below.